Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to delete suggested for you on Facebook using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Facebook app and log in your account. Now click on the menu button or the three little lines at the lower right corner of your screen. Scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy and click Settings. So now just go ahead and click on the search bar and search for location. Okay, so now here at the location services, you need to make sure that you choose the never option. Okay, so now after you've done that, you want to exit on your Facebook. Click on Settings, scroll down until you see Facebook. Now here at the location option, just go ahead and click on Never. Okay, and that's it. That is how you delete suggested for you on Facebook. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.